Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create classrooms in Gather. First, open Gather and sign into your account. After logging in, open your workspace. Gather allows you to create virtual classrooms where teachers and students can meet, learn, and collaborate online. Choose a room in your workspace that you want to use as a classroom. You can arrange desks, chairs, whiteboards, presentation areas, and other objects to create a comfortable learning environment. Now move around the classroom using the W, A, S, and D keys or the arrow keys on your keyboard. This lets you explore the classroom layout and make sure everything is organized. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Members panel. When students or teachers join the classroom, their names will appear here. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the microphone and camera controls. These controls allow participants to communicate during the class. In this demonstration, I'm the only person in the workspace, so there isn't a live class taking place. That's completely normal. When other participants join the classroom, they can move around, interact with each other, ask questions, and participate in discussions. Gather provides an interactive learning environment where students and teachers can communicate naturally, making online classes more engaging than a traditional video call. That's how you can create classrooms in Gather. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Gather tutorials and helpful technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.